और मैं recording provide करूंगा. I'm recording this chapter, okay, so that you can take it in, you can look into further, okay. Please see the recording, okay. बीच में recording देखते रहना, okay. Okay, so we are going to talk about word. Let me start word. Okay, मैं word software start करता हूँ. Let me start word. Okay, now what are we going to learn in this word? In this word chapter, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about tables, tabular representation. We are going to learn about tabular representation. Okay, so do you see my screen? Screen दिख रही है मेरी? Do you see my screen?
हाँ सर.
मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपको?
हाँ सर.
अभी दिखेगी. शेयर किया मैंने अभी स्क्रीन दिख रही है. कैन यू सी माई स्क्रीन? यस, इफ यू कैन स्क्रीन माई स्क्रीन प्लीज शो मी योर थम्स अप. ऑसम. सो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट वर्ड. तो लुक, ध्यान से देखना क्या मैं कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट टेबल्स. वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट tables, tabular structure, how you can create a table. What is a tabular structure? Tabular structure is like in a table format. For example, आपने एक टाइम टेबल बनाया है, right? You have created time table from your school, right? You get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and you get down. Monday को ये लेक्चर है, Monday को साइंस है, मैथ्स है, इंग्लिश है, हिंदी है, मराठी है, ज्योग्राफी है, whatever, computer ICT, right? On the Monday, so it's a schedule, right? So it's in a tabular form. So how do you create a table? You go to insert, you can say table. When you click on this table, you get this option. You want 2 rows, you want 2 columns. So do you see this column दिख रहा है? Column आते हुए दिख रहा है? Do you see this, Manasvi? Yes, can you see this? Yes, Vatsal, can you see this? If you see this, tell me yes or no.
Yes sir.
Okay, now this is columns. Horizontal is column and vertical is rows. Vertical is row. So I want to create 2 column by 2 rows, 3 column by 3 rows, 4 column by 4 rows. So I'm creating this 4 rows. Clear? When I click on this, I get this 4 rows. Now what I'll do, I'll write down here something called as Monday. What I'm going to do, I'm going to write down as Monday. Here I'm going to write down as Tuesday. Here I'm going to write down as Wednesday, right? Here I'm going to write down as Thursday. Now when I come down here, I want to write down Monday's timetable. What is the Monday's first period? Let's say Monday's first period is science. नहीं, आपको तो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो है ना अभी. You have 3 science, right? Physics, chemistry, bio, right?
Yes
Yes
sir.
or no? So I'll write down physics. It's physics. Okay, Monday's physics. फिर यहाँ पे आया maths. Let's say maths. I'm just giving an example. यहाँ पे है ICT. Okay. Now on Tuesday, let's say you have chemistry. On Wednesday, let's say you have humanities. Okay, and Thursday, let's say you have sports. Clear? Okay, so I'm creating this table. You understanding now table? What is the table? You are representing this data in a tabular format, in a table format. Wednesday, ऐसा आएगा यहाँ पे. देखो, clear?
हाँ सर.
Chemistry. Let's say here I have math. ठीक है? Here I have biology. ठीक है? Here I have sports. Let's assume this sports or music. यहाँ पे हमारे पास है सिंगिंग. ओके, और सॉरी डांस है ना, आपको डांस भी है. डांस यहाँ पे लिखा है मैंने.
सर हम लोगों को कीबोर्ड तबला भी है.
हाँ ठीक है, ये तो एग्जाम्पल है बच्चा. ठीक है, कंसिडर इट इज एन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, स्पोर्ट्स यहाँ पे मैंने ICT लिखा है. बट नाउ दिस टाइम टेबल इज फॉर हाउ मेनी? टिल थर्सडे ओनली. yes or no, it is till Thursday, right? I need for Friday and Saturday also, correct? I need for Friday and Saturday. So what I'll do, I'll come here. I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to go to the table. No, I'm going to come here. I'm going to say right click, and I'm going to say insert. I'm going to say insert columns to right. I want right hand side of the Thursday, correct? I want right hand side of the Thursday. That means I want here. I want to add Friday here. Understanding it? Yes, Manas, you understanding it? So I'll say right. So here and now I can write down is Friday. Friday में क्या है? Let's say first is tabla. Okay. Let's say second is chemistry. Let's say third is ICT. Right? ये तो हो गया. Now, how many subjects you have added? 1, 2, 3. You still have more subjects, right? You need to add columns also, right? Down. Yes or no? Yes. Vatsal and Manasvi, how will you do that? You will right click here. You go to insert, rows below. What will say? Rows
Below.
below. So I'll add this here. How many rows you want? I want to add more rows. I want to add rows below. 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 How many now? What subjects are left? Can you tell me? HUMANITIS, ह्यूमैनिटीज. और कौन सा सब्जेक्ट रह गया है यहाँ पे? कैन यू टेल मी क्विकली? फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री भी रहेगा ना, एक रोज होता है ना केमिस्ट्री तो.
इंग्लिश.
हाँ, इंग्लिश को कैसे भूल सकते? हाउ कैन वी फॉरगेट इंग्लिश? हिंदी. इंग्लिश हिंदी भी है ना.
सर कीबोर्ड.
कीबोर्ड भी है. क्या बात है. सी यू गाइस आर वंडरफुल. नाउ insert below. I'll say keyboard. Keyboard. This is done. How many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subjects. One more subject. 9 subjects, right? Tomorrow total. How many subjects you have?
9.
So one more subject I need. Which is that subject? Which is that subject?
सर आर्ट.
Arts. हाँ, art. चलो art डाल दिया. Arts. Now we must have forgotten one thing. अरे sir, we haven't added break. Break add किया क्या हमने? बीच में break है ना आपको? Correct.
हाँ सर.
One is short break and one is long break. So where is the short break? Where is the short break here? After
सर
ICT first.
फिजिक्स के बाजू में.
Physics के बाद, second lecture के बाद, right? So I'll come here. I'll say right click. I'll say insert rows below. Empty row आ गया? Yes or no? Yes, Manasvi, do you
हाँ
get this
सर.
empty row? Well, here write let down short, 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 short break. But ये तो सिर्फ Monday के लिए हुआ. Same thing we'll have Tuesday, Wednesday also, right? So are you going to write down here? No. What I'll do is I'll click and I'll drag this. I'm going to click and I'll drag this, and I'm going to right click and I'll say merge cells. What I'll say? Merge cells. Now do you see this? It's completely in one line, right? The entire row is one. All these cells are merged. Yes, Manasvi,
Yes,
Vatsal,
sir.
clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now I can select this. I can come to home and I can say align it center. Is it clear? I can change the font. Let's say font should be 10. छोटा चाहिए font. 10. So it's a 10. Similarly, so let's say before English you have a long break. Assume that. Let us assume that before English you have a long break. So I'll say right click. I'll say insert rows. What will say? Above. Above आया. यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है long break. Long break. So now how I'll select this? What I'll do, Manasvi, now? I'll select this and I want to merge this. How will I do that? How will I do that? Say it. How will I do that, Manasvi? Right click. Then merge. Yes, Manasvi, what I'll do? Listen. I can't hear you. Yes, what I'll do? I can't hear you, Manasvi. I'll do is merge cell. सब cell merge हो गए. Do you see in a single row? I select this. I'll come to this and I'll say center. Clear? Yes. Is it clear or not? Yes, Vatsal and Manasvi, is it clear? Show me thumbs up if it is clear. You can't hear me? Are you able to hear me? Now I want to add right on the Saturday. I want to add Saturday school also. I want to add Saturday column also. Yes, what I'll do? I'll right click on this. I'll say insert. I'll say insert column to the right. So here I'll do is what? I'll add Saturday. Saturday. Is it clear? Yes, is it clear? Manasvi, Vatsal, I'm not able to hear you, both of you. Are you able to hear me now? Vatsal, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me now? So there's some problem with the technical glitch here. Now what do I do? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? If you guys hear me, show me thumbs up. Can you hear me? Now can you hear me? Now can you hear me? Now can you hear me? Yes, Manasvi, can you hear me now? Yes, Manasvi, can you hear me now? Vatsal can hear me. Vatsal, are you able to speak? Speak to me. Vatsal, kindly speak to me.
अभी आवाज आ रहा है.
Is it clear now?
हाँ सर, अभी मैं बोल पा रहा हूँ.
Okay, okay, awesome, awesome. थोड़ा technical glitch है, it's okay, we'll do it, no problem. Now I want to add, let's say I want to add times here. I want to add timing add करना है यहाँ पे. So I'll right click, I'll go to insert, I'll say insert column to the left. आ गया यहाँ पे left में?
हाँ
Yes?
सर.
Yes, Manasvi? So left and right, both the side you can add the columns. You can add the rows above and below. So I'll set timings. Timings. Let's say कितने बजे start होता है? Let's say 8:30. 8:30 a.m. This break is, let's say, at 9 a.m. Correct? I can add this way. Is it clear? Yes? Awesome. So now this is one way of adding table. I can scale the table also. I can click here and I can reduce the size of the table. I can increase the size of the table. I can reduce the size of the table. Yes? Clear? Okay. Now I want to select this entire column. ये पूरा column को मुझे select करना है. What will I do, Vatsal? What will I do? Where do I go, Vatsal? Tell me. How do I select this table? I want to select this column. How do I select this column, Vatsal? Vatsal had learned last time. Vatsal ने last time सीखा था, right? तो Vatsal कैसे करेंगे हम टेबल कॉलम को सिलेक्ट करें तो कैसे
सर
सिलेक्ट करेंगे? हाउ विल आई सिलेक्ट इट?
सर हम लोग ये राइट क्लिक नहीं लेफ्ट क्लिक करके पूरा सिलेक्ट करेंगे.
यहाँ पे जाएंगे. सी विल गो. मनस्वी, कैन यू सी माय मशीन? कैन यू सी दिस? ये दिख रहा है आपको? डू यू सी दिस एरो, ब्लैक एरो टॉप? डू यू सी दिस ब्लैक एरो? नाउ क्लिक ऑन दिस एंटर कॉलम इज गेट सिलेक्टेड. क्लियर? Yes. Now I'm coming to Thursday. Do you see this black arrow above the Thursday text? I click on this. This gets selected. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I want to select this entire row. I'll click here. And I'll select this entire row. I'll click here. See this like this. The entire row is selected, right? I'll come and I'll click here. I'll select this entire row. I'll come here. Do you see this arrow? Do you see this arrow in white? Left hand side में arrow दिख रहा है आपको white color का? I click on this. Entire row is being selected. Clear? Yes, Manasvi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I can increase the table. I can increase the column width like this. I come here. I can drag this way. I can come here. I can reduce and I can drag this way. Do you see this column width come over here? Do you see this column width reducing and increasing? Where I'm coming exactly in between here, between two these columns. You see this border between two these columns. So I'm coming here and I'm dragging it. Similarly, from here also I can come and I can increase the height of the row. This is row, right? This is row. Yes, Manasvi, understand? This is row. This is column. Clear? See, column change हो रहा है. Understanding it or not? I can select this. I can select this entire by click and drag. I can right click on this and I can say merge cells. I can say merge cells. Cell merge हो गए. Yes, cells have been merged.
Yes, sir.
This entire is one now. This entire is 1. I can type something that I want. I want to split this cells. ये जो cell है ना, Saturday का ये एक cell है ना, do you see this cell? Do you see this cell? I want to split, right click and I'll say split the cell. In what, how
Yes,
many
sir.
rows and columns? I said one column and one
Row.
column and 2 rows. One column and 2 rows. I'll say okay.
2 rows.
So this is one column and 2 rows. These are the 2 rows. You see one row and second row, one row and 2 row. Clear? Yes?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Show me
Yes,
thumbs
sir.
up, Manasvi, if you're clear. Yes, Vatsal, if you're clear.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Now I come here. I right click and I'll say split cells. Now I want 2, 3 columns and only one row. 3 columns. So 1, 2, and 3. Total 4 columns are there because one column is already there. I am splitting into more 3. So total 4 columns. Clear? Yes, एक column तो already है ना. See this. I want to split this column. This column is already there. I want to split again into more 3 columns. More 3 columns I want. So I'll say more 3. So total 4 columns. Total 3 columns. Last time I selected 4. So it was 4. Now it is 3 columns.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I can again select this and I can again say merge columns. तो merge हो जाएगा. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Am I going too fast?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, Manasvi, are you able to understand it? Awesome. You guys rock. ठीक है, ये क्या बना रहा है? कौन बना रहा है ये सब? ये ब्लू ब्लू किसने बनाया है सब मेरे स्क्रीन पे? ठीक है. अच्छा, वत्सल इज डूइंग इट और व्हाट?
सर ये मेरे से हो रहा है?
आई गेस सो. मुझे लग रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा है. होल्ड ऑन, लेट मी सी. रिकॉर्डिंग तो नहीं चालू है इसका. नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं चालू है. ट्रैक चेंजेस नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है, क्लियर है अभी? नाउ आई वांट टू डिजाइन दिस टेबल. आई वांट टू गिव सम कलर शेडिंग्स एंड ऑल, border shadings and all. I'll select this table from here. I can select the table from here. Right click on this and I'll say, what I'll say? कहाँ गया? Border style. Border style. I go to layout menu. I go to layout and from here I can change the colors and all. कहाँ गया? Where is it? I select this cells. In my word, I don't have this color combination and all in the layout menu. It's in design layout. It's in design. I'm changing this design. Do you see this design has changed? Yes, it's not in layout. It's in design. I change this to this. Do you see this changing? Yes. Are you able to see this? Yes. So where have I changed? I select on this and I go to design. I'm changing this design. यहाँ पे क्या सिलेक्टेड है? हेडर रो, टोटल रो. मैं सबको चेंज करना है, सबको चेंज करना है. और मैंने ये सिलेक्ट किया तो सारे चेंजेस हो गए. तो सारे चेंजेस हुए. यस. I select this. I go to shading. I want to change the shading to yellow. I only want this. So I select this entire row. I select this entire row like this. From here, I go to shading and I say I want green. I select this row. I go to shading and I select this red. Yes, understanding Manasvi and Vatsal? Is it clear? Yes? Manasvi, clear hai? Show me thumbs up if you are clear. Awesome. Always show me the gestures if you are clear or not. Not clear and clear, okay? Now I come here. Again, I go to shading and I say I don't want any color. No color. So there is no color. You see this is completely white. There is no background color. Similarly, I can select this and I can go to the border styles. I want this kind of borders. Do you want border on all side or single side? I want on the top. So do you see this top में border आया. मैं सिलेक्ट करता हूँ. देखो कि मैं दूसरा शेड ले रहा हूँ, दूसरा टाइप का बॉर्डर ले रहा हूँ. थिकनेस बढ़ा दी अभी. I want this kind of border, dotted border, this kind of border. I select this. I select this. I go to border. I want top border. Do you see this? Border styles आ गए. Thick borders. Do you get these thick borders? कैसे किया? I select this. I go to borders. I want on the top. I want on the left. Do you see this on the left? Do you see this on the left now? Yes. I want to change the border style. I come out here. I want more thickness. Is it more thickness? I want less thickness. I want this kind of style. Dot dot dot. I come out here and I want all borders. So all borders में dot dot dots आ गए. You see this? All borders में dot dot dots आ गए. सारे borders. In between also. Yes, Manasvi, are you clear? Awesome. I come out here. I select this. What point size you want? I want 2-point size. 2-point size and all borders. So all borders में 2-point size. Thickness is more now. Clear? I select this. I want only top border. Top border. टॉप बॉर्डर नहीं चाहिए मुझे, सॉरी टॉप बॉर्डर ही चाहिए. तो पहले सारे बॉर्डर नो बॉर्डर करने हैं, फिर जाके बोलना है टॉप बॉर्डर चाहिए. तो ओनली टॉप बॉर्डर. डू यू सी दिस? ओनली टॉप बॉर्डर. आई सिलेक्ट दिस. आई वांट बॉटम बॉर्डर. यहाँ पे बॉर्डर बॉटम में चाहिए. सो आई सिलेक्ट दिस एंड आई से बॉटम बॉर्डर. तो बॉटम बॉर्डर में आ गया अभी डॉटेड लाइन. यस. आई सिलेक्ट दिस सेल. आई सिलेक्ट ओनली दिस सेल. ओनली दिस सेल. यहाँ पे आया और यहाँ पे मैंने बोला बॉर्डर्स, ऑल बॉर्डर्स. तो सिर्फ इसी में ऑल बॉर्डर्स आ गए. डू यू सी दिस? ऑल बॉर्डर्स. आई सिलेक्ट दिस सेल, सॉरी दिस सेल. आई सिलेक्ट ओनली टॉप बॉर्डर. तो सिर्फ टॉप बॉर्डर में आया. डू यू सी दिस? So you can apply borders and shading only to the top borders, left borders, right borders, or entire table. Is it clear? Yes, Manasvi Vatsal, is it clear? Okay, awesome. I click here. I'll say outside border. तो सिर्फ बाहरी border है. See, I can show. Hold on. First, let me show what is outside border and what is. I'll say no border. There are no borders right now. So I just want border outline, only outline from all the 4 sides. I want borders all the 4 sides. I'll come here and I'll say outside borders. So I'll get only outside borders. Do you see these outside borders? It's completely outside borders now. Is it clear? Yes? Awesome. So I select this and I'll say no border. There is no border. I can change the color of the border as well. I can change the color of the border as well. Border styles, I want this color with left border. So left border में color कौन सा आया अभी? Orange. Do you see this? और बॉर्डर स्टाइल्स में मुझे ग्रीन कलर चाहिए. तो अभी ये ग्रीन कलर आएगा. कहाँ पे चाहिए ग्रीन कलर? मुझे राइट बॉर्डर में चाहिए. तो राइट बॉर्डर में देखो ग्रीन कलर आया. दिख रहा है राइट बॉर्डर में ग्रीन कलर? यस. लेफ्ट बॉर्डर में ऑरेंज है, राइट बॉर्डर में ग्रीन है. तो आई सिलेक्ट दिस. आई वांट समथिंग बॉर्डर स्टाइल्स में गया. आई वांट ब्लू कलर बट ऑल इन बिटवीन बॉर्डर्स. तो सारे बीच में और साइड में ब्लू कलर आ गया शेड. Is it clear? Awesome. Chalo, nice. Now, I can come out here. I can go to layout. I can what I want to delete this table. I'll say delete cells, columns, row to I want delete rows. सारे rows and columns delete हो गए. Let's say I select this. I select this row. Sorry. Chalo, I want to delete this short row. I select this row. I go to layout. I want to delete rows. तो ये row delete हो गया. Yes. I want to delete this column on the Saturday. I select this. I go to delete. I say delete columns. Saturday column is gone. Clear? Yes. Yes. Now what I can do? I can erase. I want to erase this. ये erase हो गया. See this? Erase हो रहा है cell. The cell is getting erased. Yes. Now they are merging it together. I can erase this. I want to draw the table. I can draw the table inside. Do you see this? Am I able to draw? I want to draw the table here also. 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 This is how we can draw the table. So we table के अंदर table है. What is happening? Within a table you have another table. So this is called as nested table. What do you call? This is called as nested table. What do you call Manasvi this? What do you will call this? क्या बोलेंगे Manasvi? Awesome. It is called nested table. Table within a table. Okay. I can select this table. Sorry, I can select this table. I can select this entire table and I can say delete the table. It is gone. I can select this entire table or I can delete from the keyboard. Select and delete from the keyboard. एक table गया. Select here and delete the table. It is gone. Clear? Yes. Similarly, I want to insert above, insert above. आ गया? Insert above. I want below. Select this row. I want insert below. Below आ गया? Below row आ गया? Yes. I want insert left. Left में column आ गया? Yes, वत्सल आ गया left में column. I want on the right hand side. I'll say insert right. So right में column आ गया. Clear? Yes, Manasvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Table is clear or not?
Yes.
तो हमने लास्ट सेशन में यही सब सीखा है मनस्वी. एंटायर टेबल, डिलीटिंग कॉलम, एडिंग अ न्यू कॉलम, देन टेबल styles we did, applying borders and shading. This is the entire chapter that we have done in the last session when Manasvi you were not there. We and Basal, we both were there. Clear?
Okay.
Now let's take a break for 10-15 minutes and we'll come back. Okay, we'll join at 9:50. Sorry, 7:50. 15 मिनट का ब्रेक लेते, 7:50 को join होते. Okay? Yes? I'm stopping the recording right now.